guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to read the book If You Ever Want to Bring a Piano to the Beach, Don't. Alright, so this is going to be our book. I am providing aided language input using the LAMP Words for Life poster. You can print these off from AAC Language Lab for free, or you can just contact your PRC consultant and they can get you a poster as well. And if you want to know how to get to the AAC Language Lab and access things like this, you can go to the video on Basque AAC's YouTube channel and we show you how to get to that link, okay? Alright, so if you ever want to bring a piano to the beach, the words that are repeated throughout the book that I'll be providing the most aided language input for are you and not. And while we're reading the book today, I want you guys to think about what we see in our book, okay? So the people that we see in our book, so who may be our characters, I want you to think about the things that are in our book, so the objects, and then also think about the places that we are at. So they might be under some of these buttons, okay? So if we just look at our cover here, our person that we see might be just a little girl, okay? She's our character. The object and thing that we see is something that you can play music on. So it's going to be under our More button, a piano. It's an instrument. And then the place where we are at is going to be the beach. Okay, let's get started. If you ever want to bring a piano to the beach, don't. This might be a bad idea to bring a piano. Let's see why. If your mom says to get ready to play at the beach, she means with a boat or a frisbee or a shovel. She is not talking about the piano. If you roll out the piano anyway, she'll tell you you'd better not lose it. You will tell her that it's okay. You will hold on tight to your piano and keep it neat and clean. And you'll even promise to push it to the beach yourself. Cross your heart. Uh-oh. I think this might be a problem. Let's think about a piano. It is super big and heavy. And that girl, she is little. This might be a problem, I think, for her to push it to the zoo. Or not to the zoo, to the beach. Whoops. But on the way, your arms will get heavy. Then your legs will get draggy. So you will find the perfect way to move the piano along. Uh-oh. Guys, I think this is going to be a problem again. She's not pushing it, but her mom is. I wonder how her mom's going to feel. When you feel rested, you will push again. I don't think it's just because she feels rested. Look at the mom. I think the mom was telling her that she had to push it. Once you're at the beach, you'll need to make sure the piano still works, right? That's the whole reason that we brought it. So we need to see it works by playing it. Aw, looks like her brother and sister are having fun dancing to the music. Finally, you'll stop for a lunch break. The seagulls will want to share your egg and cheese sandwich. Oh no, this might be bad. Do you like to share your sandwiches with birds? Ah! She does not like it at all. Look at her face. She does not like having those birds by her while she's eating. This, you know, is not good for a piano. But you'll know just what to do. Bath time. I wonder, are you supposed to put a piano into the ocean? What do you think? You'll splish. You'll splash. The piano will bob up and down and up and down, then up and away. Uh-oh. Oh no. And out of reach. Guys, what do you think? By now, of course, you'll wish that you had played with a boat or a frisbee or a shovel at the beach instead of a piano. By now, you'll wish that you had played with your baby sister instead of the piano. You will be so mad. You will want to just go home. Well, here's what I would do if I were you. I wonder, what do you guys think she will do? Borrow your brother's fishing line and cast it far, far out to catch your drifting piano. I wonder, will it work? Then when you reel the line in, you might get your piano back. Or you might get, you guys see? She got a seashell. That is something that we can get at the beach, isn't it? I wonder, what else can we get at the beach? A boat, a frisbee, or a shovel? Yeah, if you ever want to bring a piano to the beach, don't. You might lose it. But you never know what you might find. Remember that seashell? She still feels happy even though she lost her piano because she got something new. Fun. Oh, look. The piano is drifting far, far, far out into the ocean. The end. Alright, so before we started to read, I told you guys that I wanted you to think about the people that we saw in our story, okay? There was a family, wasn't there? And then where our story was taking place at the beach. And then the thing that our story was about was an instrument, right? The piano. So in the link to this video down below, you'll find this document. So it's a story element description web, okay? And so it's just to work on your language and writing. So in these little circles around the piano, I want you guys to describe a piano. So if we think about a piano, we already said that it's a music instrument, right? That it's something that we play. You can talk about where we find a piano, maybe at school, at our church, maybe you have one at home. So talk about where you can find one. You can describe it. We can talk about how it's big, that the color is brown. So I just want you to fill in all these little circles, okay? So have fun doing that, and thank you for joining me to read this wonderful book. Please comment, subscribe, and like below.